Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reset a Canon Pixma TR4500 printer. This is an easy tutorial and these are probably the easiest instructions that you'll find on how to do this. Now this is a Canon Pixma TR4522 printer, but all of the Canon Pixma TR4500 series printers are going to be very similar. Okay, so the TR4500 series printers are like TR45 blank blank. This is a TR4522, but if you have any other TR4500 series printer, it's going to be the same thing. You're going to go over here on your screen. You're going to hit the setup button over here, setup/settings. Okay, I'm going to try and give you a better view. Give me a moment. Let's pull the printer forward. So I'm going to hit setup or settings, whatever you want to call it. And it's going to give you a few options, okay? Now I'm going to scroll. Let's give you a better view. There we go. I'm going to scroll to device. I'm going to scroll over here to device settings. When I get to device settings, I'm going to hit OK. From here, you can choose print settings, LAN settings, blah, 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 blah. Reset setting is what we're going to go for, okay? And hit OK. Now at this point, you can reset web service setup, LAN settings, telephone number data, settings data, so it's like the data for the actual settings, the preferences, fax settings, and then all data. If you want to reset an individual aspect, you're going to choose that individual aspect. But if you want to reset all data, which is like everything, you're going to hit OK. And then it's telling me up here, all fax documents in the memory will be reset, just give it a moment, will be deleted, reset, gotten rid of when you do this. So it's telling me all fax documents will be deleted, will be reset, will be lost, okay? All fax documents in the memory. Sorry, you're not getting a good view, I realize, because of the light there. But if you want to reset, you're going to hit OK. Very simple. I'm not going to reset mine, but if you want to reset it, you're going to hit OK. As far as I can remember, because I did it a while ago, there aren't any additional steps after this. I think when you hit OK, it's going to be reset, but it might ask you to confirm it. I can't remember. It's been too long, but I believe once you hit OK, that's it. It's reset. Now remember, when you reset everything, you're losing all of the data. You're resetting all data on here. So keep that in mind and be prepared to lose everything on your printer when you do that. Just, if you're ready for it and that's what you want, you're selling the printer, you're giving it back, you're returning it, you're exchanging it, you're giving it as a gift, whatever the case is, right? You just want to start fresh. Just remember, you're going to lose everything on it. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.